Hello everyone. This video is about knowledge-based databases that are defined in SupportWorks. I've had a few people ask which databases are used when the knowledge-based search is being conducted. Now, the search is based primarily on keywords. Say, for example, if I have 12 documents in my external documents directory, some of them have the words article in them defined as a keyword, and others have the word document defined in them as a keyword. If, for example, I come to the search and I search for the word article, I'll get the ones which say, for example, first article, sixth article, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the search had focused on the keywords that were defined in the documents to begin with. Now, there are two databases that control the knowledge base. There's the SW Data SWKB tables, and there's the SW Knowledge Base database, which is dedicated solely to managing the database. In both of those databases, there are some tables such as SWKB articles, which have a keywords column. And also in the KB documents table within the SW Knowledge Base database, there's also a keywords column. If, for example, I went into the SW Data database and I searched on table SWKB articles where the keywords like article, I'll see the same results that I've seen in the application. If I open another database script and I type the words use SW Knowledge Base to change the database, and if I type the same statements, but with target a different table in the SW Knowledge Base database, which is KB Documents, and if I type select star from KB Documents where keywords like article, I'll get the same result. Now, you may be wondering which of these is used when I'm using the application. I can indeed tell you that the database that's being used when running the search in the system is actually the SW Knowledge Base database. Now, I found that out by switching on MySQL logging. I wouldn't advise that you switch that on because the logs tend to grow very big and they can impact the performance of your system. I guess you just have to take my word for it because of my experience with the system when I tell you that every time the system is searching using the application, when you use the knowledge base search, you're using the you're using the SW knowledge base database to search rather than the SW data database. Another interesting thing about these knowledge base articles is if I, for example, come to the knowledge base and submit one more document, if I call that document 15th article, and create keywords like 15th, article, and I submit that document, I'll end up with about 18 documents. Now, of these 18, if I run a query which says, give me the ones which have keywords article in them, I'll end up with 11. In total, there are 18. So 11 out of 18 is greater than half the total number of articles in there which have the keyword article. The reason why I'm emphasizing on that is because if the keyword occurs in more than 50% of the results, then there'll be no results shown when you search for a particular keyword. What I mean by that is if I come to search and I search for the keyword article, I'll get no results. This is simply because the number of results is much greater than is 50%. Because as you can see here, 11 of my articles have the keyword article in them. So the system just says, what's the point in returning results when you've got more results than the total number of documents? If, however, the keyword occurs in less than 50% of the results, then your results will be displayed in the system here. Like if you remember earlier, before I submitted a lot of article documents, you could see the results, but right now you can't see them because I've added a lot of documents which have the keyword article in them. This limitation isn't a SupportWorks limitation as such, it's a MySQL limitation. For further information, you can access the dev.mysql.com website and read up on natural language search. So I hope this video has helped you learn about how the knowledge-based databases work and interact together. Thank you.